Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshops. I'm glad you're here today. I love it when you drop in the shop. You know that. And today is a special day because today is the 7th anniversary of Grampie's Workshop. Yes, sir, boys. I've been doing YouTube for 6 years, and today I'm starting my 7th year. Yeah, 6 years. 6 years in the books, and I'm starting the 7th year today. Isn't that something? Hard to believe, eh? If you had asked me 6 years ago, like, are you going to be able to continue to make content on and on and on. And I've made over 580 videos, and so far at least I haven't been stuck to come up with an idea to make for a video. Now that might happen next week, who knows, but so far at least I haven't been stuck to make videos. There's a couple of stretches in there where I wasn't making 2 videos a week, but that was because other things were going on, like we had Hurricane Fiona a couple of years ago, and then the nanny was not well for a bit, so yeah, I kind of slowed my output. But 580 videos in 6 years, that's not bad. Almost 100 videos a year. Thanks a lot for watching all those, by the way. That it takes a lot of intestinal fortitude on your behalf to stick around for all that long, so I want to thank you for that. Yeah, so way back, when I started the channel, what I wanted the channel to do was just not be a how-to channel. Definitely, this is not a how-to channel. Anybody who's been following my channel for any length of time realizes I do a lot of projects, do a lot of different things, try anything, but it's not a how-to channel. I'm not here to tell you how to do something. What I want to do is show you that most anyone can do most anything, and that's kind of what the channel is all about. Like if I need to fix my tiller, for example, fix a flat tire in the tiller, like the video I had there last week. It needs to get fixed, you do it. If I need to rebuild my boathouse because a tree fell on it, well, you do it. If you need to put a kitchen or a bathroom sink in the bathroom, you do it. I'm kind of out here in the woods in Nova Scotia, in the middle of nowhere. It's not as isolated out here as it once was, but we're still a long ways away from services, let's say. So if I wanted someone, say, to come and put the bathroom sink in, like I said, it's going to cost, well, it's going to cost a lot of money for the tradesman to come and do that, but he's going to have to charge 2 hours travel time to get out here and go back home again. So because we're out here kind of semi-isolated, you tend to be more self-reliant perhaps than if you were in town, and so you just do stuff like that need to get done. And if you don't know how to do it, well, you just muddle through it until you figure it out, or you can go on YouTube. There's lots of information on YouTube, and then you try it, and it's good fun. It's interesting. It's exciting. I have to say that living out here at the lake, it's exciting because you never know what you're faced, every day. Like just yesterday, for example, my son come out here and he wanted some of the wood that I'd cut from Fiona, and we had that piled up in the yard. So I geared up my tractor with the bucket forks on it, and went over and unloaded half a cord of wood for him, put it on his trailer. So just things like that. You never know what's going to happen, and you just go with the flow and you do what needs to get done. And 9 times out of 10, it's good fun, and it ends successfully. So yeah, my channel is definitely not a how-to channel. It's a this is what I got to do today channel. So, and this is what I do. Like I built a ramp on my deck here one time, and I said in the video, this is not a how-to channel. This ramp is not built to code. There's certain codes for ramps for paraplegic access to elevated locations. My ramp was nowhere near that, but I needed a ramp, so I built a ramp, and that's kind of what the channel is all about. If it needs to get done, you do it, one way or another. So over these 6 years, I've amassed over 4,000 subscribers. Can you imagine that? I never in my wildest dreams would ever believe that I would have gotten 4,000 subscribers from a little old guy in the middle of the woods trying to do stuff. But it's not just the subscribers, although I'm very happy and very pleased to have that many subscribers. And I want to thank all the subscribers who subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and if you tend to like, little projects taking place here and there, then please subscribe to the channel. But it's the views too, like I get lots and lots of views of people that aren't subscribed. And that's amazing that so many people would take time out of their lives just to tune in and watch Grampie's Workshop. So I want to thank all the subscribers, especially all the viewers, all the longtime supporters of my channel. I've met some really nice people virtually through YouTube, I have friends now on YouTube that we exchange emails with, we exchange letters, we exchange gifts, exchange tips and hints and ideas on how to improve your channel, or different ideas you can make for making videos. It's just amazing the community that is created within YouTube. There's lots of, well, I don't know if there's lots. When I first started into YouTube, I had heard that be prepared because there's some pretty vicious people out there that'll make some pretty vicious comments. But I have to say, maybe in my 580 odd videos that I made, I might have had maybe 5 comments that I would say were negative, and really they weren't that negative. It was just people expressing their opinion about what I was doing. And to me, that's fine. When I make a video, it's my opinion that I'm expressing. You have to either accept it or click off the video, go someplace else. So anybody who comments on my videos, it's their opinion that they're expressing, so I can either click like or I can click dislike, right? And it's the same thing. So it's just amazing. So I want to thank, again, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, all the friends of the channel. It's just been an amazing 6 years. I'm looking forward to some more fun and excitement and meeting more people in the next 6 years, I hope. So what's next for Grampie's Workshop? You know, like, we've done a lot in the last 6 years. Can I do that much variety again for 6 more years? I have no idea. Because some videos I plan, I don't actually sit down and make a script for them, although I did one with a script, and that was cab or no cab. If you want to see that video again, check up here. I'll try and leave a link for it. But yeah, that was really the only video I ever made with a script. Most of them I just have an idea and go with it. Or if I'm working on a project, well, it's just while I'm doing the project, I chit-chat. So that's how the videos come to be. But you know, I do have some upcoming videos, some upcoming ideas. First of all, my Husqvarna lawn tractor that I was just sitting on, well, that died on me the other day, so I have to work on that. I've got the tiller project ongoing, the Troy built tiller. There's lots of landscaping I'd like to do out front, so I'll be using my Massey Ferguson GC 2300, awesome tractor. I'll be using that a lot out there. I hope to anyways, either this fall or probably next summer. And the reason, I wanted to get at that this fall, but the reason that never happened is Nanny, Janet, she went into the hospital to have her hip replaced. So I'd like to give you all an update on Nanny too. Nanny has some medical issues. Before she went for her hip replacement, she had medical issues. She has IBS for one thing, some other digestive concerns taking place. And she also just had all her bottom teeth removed before her operation. So when that happened, it made it hard for her to eat. And then she went for her hip replacement. Now, an update on her hip replacement. Her hip replacement, I think, is great. And you can hardly even see the scar on her hip now. It's all healed up. She still has some muscle pain, but we're doing the physio 3 times a day, and that's getting better slowly. So yeah, I think as far as the hip goes, that's under control. But her IBS and her not being able to eat what we would consider normal food, that's really hampering her recovery. But she's working through that too. It's amazing. The woman is amazing, I'm telling you. With what's going on with her, and for her to continue to bolster my spirits to help her get through this recovery is just amazing. And I thank God every day. Although I've had days where I've been kind of upset with God because I've been asking Him for help to speed up Janet's healing, and I feel like maybe He hasn't really been listening. But He has. You know, we all know that He has. God never turns His back on us. He will not forsake us. We may think He is, but no, He's got a plan for us, and I'm just not in line with that plan just right now. That's what's going on. But you know, we've been getting lots of prayers from our YouTube community, just unending prayers. Every week when I post a video, people say we're still praying for Nanny. It's just unbelievable. And you know, those prayers are sustaining, I'm sure they're sustaining Janet, they're sustaining me. They're making us not give up on this journey and this battle, because we know that Christ is there for us, and that the prayers are there to bolster and increase our faith and our belief that God will take care of us. So Nanny is getting a lot better. She's still using the walker to get around, but more and more she's doing more stuff on her own. Like when she first had the hip replacement, I had to just about do everything, but now, you know, she can get around and do a lot of her own activities. She's way more mobile than she was. So thanks a lot for all your care, concern, prayers, love, attention for Nanny during this convalescence period, and also for your support for me helping her with this recovery. It's just amazing. I really, truly do appreciate it. And so that brings me back to getting back to what's coming up in the channel. Now that Nanny is more or less on a good path towards being more independent, I'm going to have more time to spend out here in the shop, more time to spend doing projects in the yard. I've got a lot of windfall still that I need to tend to. I've got a lot of landscaping. The gardens are just out of control. I'd like to get the vegetable garden geared up again so that Nanny, hopefully next year, will be able to get out and do a little bit of gardening, because she loves to garden. And I love to see her garden because she makes the yard look so beautiful. She always had the yard looking so nice. And well, I didn't do much to keep it that way, but other than mow the lawn. And I didn't even do that because my son Chris used to come over and mow the lawn for us all the time. So, but anyway, yeah, the future. I think the future is bright for Grampie's Workshop. I'm looking forward to making a bunch more videos, and I hope that you tune in and watch them each week, because I really enjoy that. I really enjoy the interaction. I love the comments, but you know what? When the comments come in, I want to respond to every one of them. But man, I'm a slow typer, and it takes me a long time to respond to comments. Like, it takes a long time to actually make a video. It takes a long time to edit the video, and then it takes a long time to post the video because I have such slow internet. And then when the video is posted and is viewed, it takes a long time to respond to the comments. So YouTube sure does eat up a lot of my time, but I love it. I wouldn't trade it for a farm out west. So thanks a lot, and I look forward to a lot more Grampie's Workshop for you all. So I think it's been a great 6 years, has been for me anyways. I hope it has been for you all as well. And I'm looking forward to more time here doing Grampie's Workshop, making some videos, getting lots of stuff done. You know, that's another thing about doing 580 videos. That means I've done at least 500 projects around the camp here in the property in 6 years. So that's not bad, eh? Thanks for watching, everyone. Sure hope you're having a great week. I sure hope you're enjoying my channel, and I sure hope you can take some time to continue to watch and subscribe. And don't forget, thumbs up me. That's always nice too. Take care, folks. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you.